and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to tackle my messy hall closet. I'm actually in the process of making over my entire hallway. That's why you see the plastic hanging. We have been doing some sanding in the hallway, but here I just want to focus on the hallway closet. As you can see, it became a store all, just throwing random objects in it. No type of organization whatsoever. And here is the closet. I've taken everything out of here. I do like that this closet is very spacious, so I do want to utilize this space. I make the most of it. As you can see, the doors got pretty banged up over the years. And yeah, so like I said, I just want to make it over. There's even a lot of space in this bottom portion of the closet. So let me just go ahead and get started. So of course the first thing I did was clean the closet out. And then I went and wiped it out with some soap, just soap and water, inside and out, to clean it, because I knew I was going to end up priming it, but I wasn't really sure what I was going to do next after that. So here I am, just removing the caulk. This is a built-in closet, so there was a lot of caulk filling in a lot of cracks, and it was of course beginning to crack and peel, and it just didn't look good, so I wanted to remove it, and then I would re-caulk it once I got finished with it. When I took the doors off, I did keep the hardware just in case I decide to put the doors back up and put in little cups and label them. So here I am, of course, priming the closet, and as you can see in this video, I'm going to be wearing different outfits because I worked on this so many different days. But yeah, I just primed the entire closet. And you can see it's a different color because I did paint the outside of the closet like some years ago. I painted white, but I didn't paint the inside. So now I do want to do something about inside and out, of course. So here's my closet primed. I only used one coat of primer because I knew I was going to end up painting it, and I didn't really need to put 2 coats of primer. So at this point I did decide that I wanted to go ahead and put some wallpaper on the back wall of the closet. And so here I am, of course, measuring it out. The 3 sections at the top of the closet were 3 different sizes, so I had to cut and measure. I thought they were all the same, but once I measured again, I realized that they were 3 different sizes, so I just had to keep measuring and cutting until I got the sizes that I needed. And yeah, this paper was really thick, so I do like the paper. That's one reason I like it, but I also liked it because it's very forgiving. It was easy to put up. So this piece I put up, without a hitch. I just put it up. There was no issues. I just put it on, rolled it out, and used my smoothing tool to flatten it. But then on the second piece, I just tried something a little different. Once I started putting it on, I realized that it wasn't quite even because the closet again was built. It was a built-in closet, so from one side to the other it wasn't exactly even, so I had to kind of shift my paper. And like I said earlier, this paper is very forgiving. As you just saw, I pulled it off and I was able to put it back on. No issues, no wrinkles, and you can't even tell that I pulled it off and put it back. And the same thing for the top piece. I had to kind of move it around to get it where I wanted it, but once I did, it just turned out great. So yeah, this is some good paper. Like I said, I purchased off Amazon, and here is the finished look. Anything I use in this video, I will try to link it in the description box. Alright, so this is not actually a part of the makeover for the closet itself, but it is part of the hallway makeover. And I wanted to show you guys what I did with some of the leftover wallpaper that I had for the closet. This was an old picture that I had hanging in the hall bathroom that I made over recently, and I didn't throw it away because it was a perfectly good frame, and I was just hanging on to it hoping that I would find something to do with it. So of course I used some of this paper just to kind of cover it up to create another picture that would complement the paper in the hall, of course, in the hall closet. So at this point I'm not really sure if I'm going to do anything else with it, but I did want to show you guys a good way to use leftover paper. You don't have to really throw it away. So I just use it to make another picture. Alright, so again, I decided not to put the doors up, so I had to find some way to make this closet a little more decorative. So I did use this molding trim that I purchased from Amazon. I actually purchased this some months back when I did the hall bathroom makeover. I was going to use it to frame a mirror, but of course I didn't use it, and I just thought it would be perfect to use it here. And this, I do like the way this turned out. It's very easy to use. You just cut it to, of course, your length that you need it. And here I'm just pressing it on to make sure. And y'all, it's very sticky, so I don't think I have to worry about it coming down anytime soon. I mean, once I got it up there and I even tried to just kind of pull on a little bit, it didn't move. So if you do use this, make sure you put it where you need it the first time, and you should be good to go. So this is the finished look so far of what I've done. My husband is going to end up removing that center piece of wood right there, but you'll see that in the end. So here, for storage, I did purchase these storage bins from Amazon, of course. I love Amazon, y'all. Buy everything on Amazon. It's made by a company called DIMJ. I'm not sure what that stands for, but I did like the different bins that they sell. And the ones that I decided to purchase, one was this flip top with the Velcro snap lid. You can see through. You get 2 large and 2 medium. And then they had these see-through cubes, also storage bins. So of course I'm going to use them for my towels. And here is the finished look. I stopped recording. Like I said, I've been working on this for weeks. So here's the finished look of my closet. Y'all, I absolutely love it. Now I know most people prefer a door, probably prefer a door for a closet, but I wanted to do something different. I did not want to use the doors. And my favorite part of this makeover is probably these lights. Yes, I absolutely love these lights up here. It gives my closet a stylish yet functional closet. Like, I can still use everything in it and it still looks good. So for one of the bins, I just used one of the medium ones, is the size they called it. I just store things like toothpaste, hand soap, deodorant, regular soap, my kids' Ivory soap, and also, as you saw, I just had some wax melts, and I actually forgot I put those in there, but for now they can stay in there. It's no big deal. But yeah, this is my closet, y'all. I was so happy with this finished look. And let me know in the comments if you would ever do something like this. I don't think I've ever seen anybody with a open hall closet. Yeah. So like I said, I am super happy with this. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you like my makeover, please hit that like button. Please leave me a comment, like I said, if you would ever do this. And this storage hamper, well, laundry hamper, I actually use it for our sheets, extra sheets and bedding. And also these bins, of course, you can see I use for tissue and paper towels. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and consider subscribing. Thanks.